Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use AI to create realistic deepfakes right now. So as you can see, this is going to be a quick video, but basically what you need to do is you need to go to deepfakesweb.com. And here, as you can see, you have online deepfake maker. So this deepfake app, it will be able to swap faces using AI, and you can create a deepfake video. So based on that, what you can do is you can basically have right here, as you can see, you need to go and you need to upload your source and target videos. This is the first thing that you need to do on this platform. Then once you upload your source and target videos, then let the AI learn and render your video. Then it will render your video, and then you can download and watch your newly created deepfake video. Now this is just an example right here, as you can see. This is a deepfake video right here, as you can see. So you can do a lot of different things. You can reuse your model. The lower your loss values are, the higher the quality will be right here, as you can see. And yeah, basically this comes obviously at a cost. As you can see, it's premium right here. So if you click premium, you will see that for $0 a month, as you can see, you get 5 hours of creation time. And you get 1,000 number of learning iterations. But if you want to really go deep into this and create deep fakes, then you will need to pay $19 a month. As you can see, they also have a celebrity deepfakes right here. They have a blog with celebrity deepfakes right here. For example, how to make Michael B. Jordan deepfake, how to make Ryan Reynolds deepfake, Elon Musk deepfake. So you have a lot of different things right here that you can do. Obviously, this is still a very new application, so sometimes there might be errors, but this is basically the only way right now, and the only application that I believe is a good application if you want to go and create realistic deepfakes. But yeah, if you have any questions or comments, definitely comment down below, and we'll see you in the next upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching.